I'm going to be so honest with you. I don't want to do anything tonight. This week is going to be absolutely insane because it's the week before Christmas and dog grooming gets absolutely insane this time. But I have to get that stuff out of my living room. Okay, it's a disaster. So let me show you what I just did real quick while my phone was charging, because this thing is never charged for some reason. You guys saw that I took the little Christmas tree stand from right here. This was over in that corner, okay? It holds my socks, undies, and things like that. I think it's a good fit right there, rather than over there, because I really couldn't reach it very well. Plus it works as a nice nightstand. These two things were over there. This is a bag of blankets that I need to wash, and I need to go through those two things. This is the tower that I need to organize and clean that goes over by the office. Oh, there's just so much to do here. Anyways, this is nice and open and a nice space right now, isn't it? So let's have a look-see at the closet. Honestly, it's not real bad, right? It's really not too bad. I might actually grab this and start using this for winter because that is a nice warm quilt. And the one I'm using right now isn't super warm. So I think what I want to do tonight is take out some for sure summer things from this and go through these jeans up top here. This box and the stuff up top there, I'll go through that as well. And just get most of the summer stuff out so I can put some winter stuff in. And then I can also divvy up my clean and dirty clothes because once again, I don't have time to go to the laundromat. So Mom is going to be doing my laundry for me this week. I will pay her to do it. I always do. So I guess let's stop talking and let's start doing, because I have a very low spark of energy this evening for this. The lighting in here is just kind of off tonight. Oh, that's really pretty though. Okay, I told you guys that I've been like trying to stay on top of, first off, seasonal affective disorder. Second off, any form of a cold. So I made some tea. I ate an orange earlier. Been having my immune defense things. I've been drinking a lot of fluids. But then I made some of this tea. And then I'm also going to take a sitz bath. I found some plain Epsom salts that I'm just going to take a sitz bath in with some baking soda and try to just, you know, steam it all out. Oh, what I was going to say over why I'm stopping in here for a second is my mom is going to take the green tote. So we get to take the green tote completely out of this apartment. I'm so freaking excited for that. I don't even think you guys understand how excited I am. That thing is huge and it's just taken up so much space, and I've had so many clothes in it for so long that I just keep rotating and rotating and I probably don't need. I am a very happy camper that we are getting rid of that tote. And for reference, judgment-free zone, remember? So the suitcase will go in the closet, right? And then that will be completely out of here. And look at how much room. Look at how much room that will free up. It'll be phenomenal. And then we'll only have technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 totes to go through, and then a few miscellaneous boxes. It sounds like not a lot, right? But in reality, it's a lot, because it's not just going through a box. It's going through a box, decluttering the box, and then finding a place to put the stuff in the box. And I think that part is the part that gets me hung up the most, is because I don't have a lot of places to put things here yet. I've asked for a lot of storage solutions for Christmas, and let me tell you, I hope my family comes through with the storage solutions that I have asked for, because your girl needs more storage options. Now I don't know where to set this. Ooh, that ginger in there is gingering tonight. Bazinga. And remember, I am donating as I'm going, so if they don't fit or if they don't work, they go bye-bye. These fit, but I honestly hate how they fit, so I think they need to go bye-bye. These are shorts, so they go in summer. These are shirts that I used to sleep in but they're also my ex's shirts, so I feel weird sleeping in them. But they were my super comfy shirts for a long time to sleep in. This is storage. Actually, this needs to be like suitcase storage. This is a memory shirt. Storage. Jammy bottoms, those stay. This stays. I actually need a pillowcase for my Pokemon pillow, so there we go. And yes, that is my Pokemon pillow from when I was young. That is not Kelly's pillow. That is not anybody else's pillow. It is my pillow. Okay, like, look at that. These, oh my gosh, my other pillow. Who knew my other pillowcase that matches this set was literally with it? Oh my gosh. Perfect. This box back here is my other, I have two filming lights. One of them is actually right back behind here that I should set up more often for better lighting. I don't really know why I don't. Maybe because they take up a lot of space. But that's my other filming light. So I know what's in that. I don't know what's in this box up here, actually. Looky there. If you just look at your stuff, you'll find 3 mismatched pillow cases that go on your 3 pillows that need cases. My Mickey ears. Oh, I know what's in this box. Ugh. Yeah, I'll keep this here. I don't feel like going into detail what's in that box. It has to do with, you know, Kelly's dad and such. So we're just gonna leave that. We're just gonna leave that box closed. This shirt's gonna be donated. I don't need it. This shirt actually shrunk a lot, but I love it so much, but it really did shrink, so I should probably get rid of it. These are all tank tops. Those should go in storage for a minute. Okay, so from the hanging stuff, all we got was this much to go into our summer storage. I can move my biker shorts mainly because I don't wear them in the winter time, I guess. I'll keep some out. How about that? Like if I worked out more in the winter time, I would keep most of this out, but I really don't. Okay, so they're there. And that way my thinking is that like this opens up another shelf for like my fuzzy socks to go. Did I only literally keep 1 pair out? Perfect, cool. We have 1 pair. Oh, I have another pair of shorts, don't I? Oh yeah, I do right there. Okay, so we've got 1, and then jammy shorts, tank tops. Those are like camis. We're gonna leave the camis. That's what those are. These are supposed to be pajamas, but some of them are crop tops. We're gonna put the crop tops away. That's a crop top. Ooh, that's a pajama. Why have I not worn that one? This is a pajama top that I know where the bottoms are. Pajama bottoms are both of those. Yes, I'll fold them. Calm down, calm down. Oh, and that's another pajama. Okay. Okay, we've got our winter jammies, seems like. Okay, this whole section is all crop tops. I don't foresee myself wearing crop tops in the winter, so we're just gonna put these away. Okay, I changed into jammies because I was really tired of wearing my work clothes. This bag is full of my Spanx spandex, and I did a boudoir shoot, and so it has my boudoir shoot photo clothes in there. I don't know what to do with her, and I don't feel like going through her tonight, so we're just gonna leave that there. So we have got to go get some stuff from the living room. Let's take hangers with us. Let's work smarter, not harder. I have more hangers. This is just all that's in here right now. The lighting in here is trash because I need to get another one of those big lights, but we can still work with it. We don't need major light. The tree smells really good tonight, doesn't it? No, does it not? The tree, does it smell good? Okay. What are you watching?
Bad Dinosaur.
Can you move your feet, please, so that the people can sit right here so they can watch what I'm doing? If you're looking for your coat in the morning, it's in the closet because that one fell down again. We just keep overloading it, I think. Too much stuff, too much stuff, too much stuff. I'm overwhelmed by too much stuff, but I don't have the energy to get rid of all of it all at the same time. Okay, let's keep going. I'm really afraid of this bar here, like, snapping one day, so I try to put, like, my nice heavy dresses on that end, t-shirts, light sweaters, and then like I just put the jackets over here and moved this over a little because I have a fear that it's gonna just one day like and I don't want to pay for that because it's not just like a tension rod, it's like into, I don't know, would they fix it? I don't know. So I just really try to avoid any problems with that. Okay, next thing, this lighting, I'm so sorry guys. Next thing I need to tackle down here is the shoes. That back there is like my scrapbooking memory tote type of deal, another one, but this one stays here. This one doesn't go to storage. The shoes. I asked for a shoe rack for Christmas, so we'll see if I get it. If not, it'll be fine. But as you'll see right here, I have a bunch of shoes that don't need to be out in the living room, and they can just kind of go right here. Okay, let's go put the socks in that one. And we've got 2 open ones down here. Not bad, not bad at all. This little holder guy, I am super impressed with it. It holds a lot. It's very sturdy. It bends a little bit, but it holds its shape pretty nice. And there's on this side like this little pocket guys. I don't know if you can see them very well. No, you can't because there's a shirt covering you. But those hold like my swimsuits. Last thing we're going to do because I am getting burnt out. But literally I'm almost done. Like I only have, do I even have anything left in there? We have to walk out here anyways. So let's see what we have left. No, I don't. Oh my god. So out here, I have nice jeans and pants that need to go into the closet. But the only other thing out here is my sister's jackets and the donate stuff. See? That's it. After what we had yesterday, that's it. I love it. Come with me. Let's finish this so I can be done, drink my tea, and take a bath. I don't really know where else to keep my nice pants. They go up there. These are vacuum. It's like 9:30 at night. I'm not going to use the vacuum. The child is actually in bed, so I'm going to finish this up so he can go to sleep. So we'll just do these like I did. Struggled with the ones last night. I don't have room for anything. Trying to avoid like a mental breakdown this week is going to be a major challenge. Just saying. I've gotten all of my Christmas shopping done. That's a huge plus. Except for just a few little in-store things. What's this? What are you? That can get donated. I'm never fitting into that again. And I don't even care to. Okay. Let's try this. I think I got all my crop tops in here. Roll it towards me. How's that sound? If I complain about being sore later, remind me this is why, Kelly. That did not seal well. We're going to try again. It's a good seal. Boom. This is all of this. I'll do a bag for these. Like, look at this. And then I'll show you the comparison in size. This is also for my child who doesn't think this is going to work. All right, locked and loaded. My mom's so funny. I was like, yeah, I just need to get some vacuum seal bags. Because, you know, I just don't have space, and I've got the ottoman I can put them in. I've got, like, other areas I can put them in. And she was like, you know, I used to use those all the time, and then they would never work, and they'd, like, inflate. Yeah, Did that go? Is that a good seal? Kelly, did you see?
I'm watching.
That's cool.
See, my eye is right here.
Isn't that cool though?
Yeah.
One more. I know a lot of people have asked me if I have room under my bed for like a rolly storage cart. I do not. I had one. Did I have it or did I measure for one? I think I measured for one. And it doesn't fit because my underneath here is like 4 inches off the ground. It's not very big. But what I could do is I could like put some of these down there if like push comes to shove. Okay. Oh boy, you get your arm strength in with these, don't you? This one, not good, not good. Try again. Better. All of this is all of my summer stuff. And it can just go sit up there nice and perfect. Or I can shove it under my bed. Or I can shove it behind this stuff and it's still there. I love it. The other option too is if I didn't want them up here, I still have room in my suitcase. I like my suitcase. Sorry. But I still have room in that suitcase. But the piece de la resistance that I'm going to do tonight, the final thing I'm doing tonight, is I'm going to put my suitcase back where it goes. There. That was super easy. Alright, friends. That is all of my winter stuff. That's the closet. We won't look at the rest of the room because I need to go through this. But that's the closet. Now, are all of my clean clothes and all that stuff put away? No. In reality, I have 1.5 baskets full of laundry that have to get done. But this actually really is a lot more room than what I had. Again, those can go anywhere. I'm just so happy to have that giant tote out. I'm so happy to get that giant tote out. And I don't need it. I don't need it for all of my clothes and overflow storage because I don't have overflow storage. Because I don't need overflow storage. I'm done. I'm tapping out for the night. I'm sure that there's much more that I could do, but I am so tired and my phone is also tired. It's at 15% again. So thank you guys so much for joining me with this decluttering. I can't believe how much more donate stuff we even have. I'm just so excited to get rid of things. God, it feels so good to get rid of things again because I've been just, I don't know, just struggling to find places for things to go. Just gonna go put this stuff in the donate right now. That way I don't procrastinate on it and put it somewhere else. All right, friends, that is it. I will see you in the next one. Oh, that's Kelly's wreath. You guys wanted to see Kelly's wreath. See, I know I came out here for a reason. All right, good night, friends. Bye.